How's it going, everyone? In this guide, we are going to show you how to get a refund on Steam. So firstly, open the Steam app or go to store.steampowered.com and simply log into your account. Then once you're there, simply click on menu. Then go ahead and select Steam support. Then scroll all the way down and tap on View Purchase History. And under Recent Purchases, find the game or content you want to get a refund for. And if it's not listed, you can simply search for it. So once you find it, simply click on the item, then select I would like to get a refund. You then have to choose your reason for the refund and confirm your playtime is under 2 hours and that the purchase was made within the last 14 days. So these are Steam's main requirements for a refund. So next, you then have to pick whether you want the refund credited to your Steam wallet or the original payment method. And finally, you then have to submit your request and you will then receive an email confirmation. So refunds are usually processed within a few days, so just make sure to keep updated. So that's simply how to get a refund on Steam. So if you found this insightful, please consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, a comment, and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.